Hey yo guys, I'm Yogesh and today I'm going to unbox this Pokemon trading cards. This is Sun and Moon Burning Shadows and this Sun and Moon Burning Shadows is in small pack and I'm with my sister. Say hi sister.
Hi.
So and let's unbox this. It's easy. I have bought this packs because I have seen this Darkrai over here. Let's focus on this. I think you guys can see, but here is a Darkrai. So let's unbox this, guys. It's nice cards. Ladian, Alolan Rattata, Darkrai, another Darkrai. Wow. Gyarados, Meowth, Senseo, Rolls, Heracross, and Raticate, Alolan Raticate, and Vulpix, and Solrock. And it's here, guys. This is the one pack here. I have got the Darkrai GX, which is really rare, and I have got another Darkrai, which is also GX. Let's put here. I'm not kidding, guys. These are two Darkrai's over here, and another. I think it's the same. Yeah, I don't know why is it same, but okay. So let's unbox this one. Energy right here. Yeah. So let's. What are new here? Viper. Wow, this also GX. 3 GX right here. This is Salazar. Let's put GX here. I wonder which is here. Machamp GX. Wow. 4 GX. And these aren't expensive as well. This one is like 50 cents and this is 140 cents US, of course. So we are gonna pair all and I'll see you guys in.
Thank you.
So guys, we have this much from like $2 worth of Pokemon cards. I'll show you. So I told you guys there are 2 Darkrai, but here 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 Darkrai, 3 Salazar. I thought this was 1, but there are 3. 1 Machamp, 3 Lycanroc, 2 Gyarados, 3 Sneasel, something like that, 3 Simisage, 2 Rolls, 2 Broshix. Sorry guys if I'm pronouncing wrong. 3 Alolan Rattata, 3 Meowth, 3 Ladian, 3 Bofalant, 3 Heracross, 3 Porygon 2, 3 Riolu. I think this is basic form of Lucario. I think. 2 Panpour, 2 Solrock, 1 Viper, 1 Sandygast, 3 Alolan Raticate, and 5 energies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is grass, water, thunder, lightning, something, and I think this is fairy. So Crab Brawler, 3 Crab Brawler, 2 Malamar, 2 Ribombee, 1 Toxic Rock, 2 Alolan Alolan Vulpix, and some trainer Kiwawi, and trainer Mount Lanakila. This is another town, Po Town, and an item which is Tormenting Spray. So these are all the Pokemon cards that I have obtained from this too. This 2 boxes of Pokemon trading cards. So these are a lot compared to what you get from now. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and I think you guys have entered the giveaway. I'll link the description down below if you have not entered. So thank you guys. Peace.